Managing finances is the backbone of every successful business. With tools like Zoho Books, you can streamline your accounting operations while focusing on growth. Zoho Books is a cloud-based smart accounting software that helps businesses manage their financial activities with ease. It offers an array of features to simplify tasks like invoicing, expense tracking, and bank reconciliation. Here, we'll dive deep into how Zoho Books works, one module at a time. Accessing Zoho Books. Getting started with Zoho Books is simple. All you need to do is sign up for their free 14-day trial. During this period, you gain access to the full features of the premium plan, allowing you to explore every tool and functionality without restrictions. If you decide to continue, you can subscribe to a plan that fits your business. Already a user? Simply log in with your credentials and you're ready to go. Zoho Books is designed to be accessible from anywhere, anytime, via web browsers or their mobile app. Plans and subscriptions. Once your free trial ends, Zoho Books offers several paid plans tailored to suit businesses of all sizes. These plans include essential accounting features, scalability, and flexibility. The pricing is transparent, and there's even a free plan for small businesses with minimal accounting needs. The premium plan, for instance, includes advanced options like multi-currency transactions, custom workflows, and integrations with other Zoho apps. Choosing the right plan ensures you only pay for the features your business requires. Migrating from other software. If you're transitioning from another accounting software, Zoho Books makes it effortless. You can easily import your data, including opening balances, carry forward the closing balances from the prior financial year for consistency. This ensures smooth transitions between accounting periods. Customers and vendors. Verify that client and supplier data is accurately transferred. This includes contact details, payment terms, and outstanding balances. Items. Import all products or services you handle into the new system. This helps maintain inventory accuracy and prevents errors in future transactions. Transactions. Migrate all historical sales and purchase records to maintain financial continuity. This ensures no loss of critical business data during the switch. The import process is intuitive, with step-by-step instructions to guide you through uploading files and mapping fields. Dashboard, your financial hub. The dashboard is your first stop after logging in. It provides a bird's-eye view of your business's financial health, including receivables and payables, track unpaid invoices, and due payments for better financial management. Stay updated on outstanding balances to maintain cash flow. Cash flow. Visualize your incoming and outgoing funds over time. This provides insights into the health and sustainability of your business operations. Income versus expense. Compare your revenue with expenses to spot trends. This helps in evaluating profitability and managing budgets effectively. Top expenses. Identify key cost drivers in your business. This helps in streamlining expenditures and optimizing resource allocation. Bank and credit cards. View the status of linked bank accounts and credit cards at a glance. This ensures you stay on top of your available balances and financial obligations. The dashboard is customizable, allowing you to prioritize the metrics most relevant to your business. Setting up opening balances. Before diving into daily accounting, you'll need to set up opening balances. This involves importing the previous year's closing balances for accounts like cash, inventory, and accounts payable or receivable. These balances serve as a starting point, ensuring your financial records are accurate from day one. Customizing Zoho Books for your business. Customization is a key strength of Zoho Books. You can tailor it to reflect your brand and operations by updating your email and password for security, changing the theme and adding your logo for a professional look, configuring the default organization for multi-business users, adjusting settings like tax rates, templates, and reminders to suit your workflows. This ensures Zoho Books feels like an extension of your business. Managing items. In Zoho Books, items represent the goods and services you deal with. You can add items, manually create entries for products or services, import in bulk, upload a spreadsheet with all your inventory, assign price lists, set different pricing for different customer groups. For businesses with inventory, Zoho Books tracks quantities in stock, cost of goods sold, and reordering needs. Adding customers and vendors. Zoho Books simplifies relationship management by letting you add and organize customers and vendors. You can record details like contact information, payment terms, and tax preferences. Create groups to categorize your customers or vendors. Track every transaction from invoices to payments associated with each contact. This central repository ensures all interactions are documented and easily accessible. Creating and managing invoices. Invoicing is a critical feature of Zoho Books, and the software makes it seamless. Create invoices. Use customizable templates to generate professional invoices. Send invoices. Share invoices via email or customer portals. Track payments, record payments, online or manual, and monitor overdue invoices. Set recurring invoices. Automate invoicing for subscription-based customers. Apply credit notes. Adjust invoices for returns or discounts. With built-in integrations for payment gateways like PayPal, Stripe, and Razorpay, collecting payments becomes a breeze. Handling sales and purchase transactions. Sales transactions include quotes, sales orders, recurring invoices, and retainer invoices. For purchase transactions, you can manage expenses, bills, purchase orders, and vendor credits. These transactions help you track both sides of your cash flow. Zoho Books also supports multi-currency transactions, making it ideal for businesses with international clients or suppliers. Account module. The account module is where the magic of accounting happens. It includes journals, record adjustments and corrections, base currency adjustments, account for currency fluctuations, chart of accounts, define and organize your financial accounts, transaction locking, prevent accidental changes to finalize records. Accounts will appreciate the depth of control this module provides. Configuring advanced settings. Zoho Books allows for deep customization through its settings module. Users and roles. Define permissions for employees. Templates. Personalize invoices, quotes, and other documents. Reminders setup. Automated alerts for overdue payments. Data backup. Export and save your financial data regularly. These settings give you control over every aspect of your accounting. Banking module. The banking module automates reconciliation and simplifies cash flow management. Link your bank or credit card accounts for automatic transaction feeds. Categorize transactions and match them to invoices or bills. Perform bank reconciliation to ensure your records are accurate. This module reduces manual effort and minimizes errors. Time tracking with timesheets. For service-based businesses, the timesheets module is invaluable. It allows you to log hours worked on specific projects, bill clients based on time entries, get approvals from clients for recorded time. This ensures transparency and fair billing for both parties. Document management. The Documents feature centralizes all your receipts, invoices, and contracts. You can upload files directly into Zoho Books, attach documents to relevant transactions, categorize and tag documents for easy retrieval. This eliminates the need for separate filing systems. Enhancing client collaboration with the customer portal. The customer portal transforms how you interact with clients. Through the portal, your clients can view past transactions, approve estimates and quotes, make payments online. This feature fosters better communication and reduces delays. Integration capabilities. Zoho Books integrates seamlessly with Zoho apps, CRM, inventory, and more. Third-party tools. Popular apps like G Suite, Office 365, and Zapier. Payment gateways. PayPal, Stripe, Razorpay, and more. These integrations enhance productivity and provide a connected ecosystem. Generating reports. Zoho Books offers over 40 customizable reports to help you analyze your business. Key reports include profit and loss statement, cash flow report, tax summary, age payables and receivables. These insights are crucial for strategic decision-making and ensuring compliance with tax regulations. Zoho Books is not just accounting software. It's a comprehensive financial management solution designed to simplify your business operations. From managing invoices and tracking expenses to reconciling bank accounts and generating insightful reports, Zoho Books takes care of it all. Its user-friendly interface, detailed customization options, and powerful integrations make it a must-have tool for businesses of any size. Ready to take control of your finances? Dive into Zoho Books today and experience a smarter way to manage your accounting. So what do you think? If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights into powerful business tools like Zoho Books. Leave a comment below to share your thoughts, questions, or experiences with this software. Your input matters, and together, we can explore more ways to simplify and improve business processes, one tool at a time.